ready to file with the court.
Okay.
May I approach?
Yeah. How are we feeling? Okay. Oh.
Guess we don't need the sign-in sheet.
PJ, you want to sign it? Is this you?
Did I not sign it?
Mm-mm. You didn't sign the continuance part. No, that's okay. I don't think I have any inmates, right?
I don't think so, Judge.
Only 17.
All right, you're good to go?
All right, thank you,
Thank
Judge, and
you.
thank you for all the accommodations that the court made on Monday for my client. I really do appreciate it.
Oh, no worries at all. I'm glad we were able to work it out.
Yes, me as well. Thank you.
Have-
May I be excused?
You may.
Thank you. Y'all have a chance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Up first, I have Elder Villanueva Franco, who's present today, in 25 CT 28.
Good morning.
This case was set today to follow up on our discovery request. It's my understanding that the state has represented that there are no video discovery in this case.
Okay.
If we could set this for one more date, I believe we can come to a resolution. My client is also very close to getting a driver's license and would like to.
That is the goal, sir.
That would change it's all
Yes. How's the May 12th sound? At 9 o'clock?
That works for us, yes.
All right, I will see you back at May 12th at 9 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you. Next up, I have Mr. Randy Terry. I waived his appearance. This is 24MM 4334. This case was set to allow time for the state's investigator to check on the whereabouts of the boat. It's my understanding they have done so, and I would just like an opportunity to now speak with my client about that.
Okay.
Yes, and possibly send our investigator. There might be some continued confusion about the location of
That tends to happen with these folks.
the vessel.
Boats or?
I have
Oh.
3 boat cases right now.
You're right. 'Tis the season, ma'am. May 12th, okay for that as well?
Yes,
All right.
thank you. And then next is Mr. Luis Tolena Chautla in 25 CT 159. Mr. Tolena Chautla's wife and daughter are here today. It's my understanding that he is in custody in another jurisdiction. It was set today just to check on missing discovery. And it's my understanding that the state has been in contact with the officer who plans to submit the discovery to them soon. I'm not sure how this,
So,
because I think you said on the state for both reasons.
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to issue a caveat because I fear that if we do that, it'll fall off everybody's radar. So I'm going to continue it to May 12th so we can at least secure the discovery is done.
Okay.
Hopefully he gets back by then. If not, I will issue a KPS, but at least you'll have all the discovery.
Okay, yes.
So when we get it back, you can, yeah.
Thank you so much. And then, my next client is Mr. Christian Tejera Moreno in 25MM101. I also waived his appearance. We set this case today for the purpose of subpoenaing the AVs to be present.
The state canceled the subpoenas because they actually finally got in contact with us. They both want to proceed with the case. So the state will not be dismissing the charges as of right now.
Okay. Sounds like they have.
Okay, if we could get that set on the next available date then.
May 12th for them as well.
Okay, thank you. And then I have one last client who is planning on being here today. If we could just If another attorney has to
Sure.
case, then we'll have-
Mr. Lupello? Come on in.
I have one case on the docket. Norris is the name of the case.
Mm-hmm.
And I've spoken with the state. We've been going back and forth about trying to work this one out. I spoke with Ms. Sharpless this morning, and she indicated that we could possibly get to a resolution for maybe a reckless, but
Okay.
she needs more time, so we're fine with that. And we'd ask to move it to the next pretrial.
Is that right, Ms. Sharpless?
Yes, that's correct, Judge.
April 16th?
Very good. That's all I have, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good day.
All right. Do we know anything about Mr. Browning's cases?
So, I'll do mine first. So for 24 CT 2574, the state has extended an offer for reckless.
Okay, hold that thought. I'm gonna reach out to him because I heard he was in Santa Rosa County. Okay, I'm gonna just see if he can show up, but go ahead, I'm sorry. A reckless on which case?
24 CT 2574, Mr. Sheedle. And as for Mr. Blau, 24 CT 1731, I believe the defense and state have come to a resolution, but they're not here to plead.
Okay, what about Strickland Fair?
No idea on that one, Your Honor. But the state's ready for trial.
On hers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And then Thomas Trestle?
The state has also extended an offer for a reckless.
Okay. And then Carson Oldnettle, I think that would be,
That's mine, Your Honor. And I think this is the case where Mr. Browning was trying to get his client's medical records. I haven't heard anything about that, but I did talk to him about Mr. Vadner. That case will likely be a continuance because the answer to could he have a reckless was no. So,
okay. What about Teresa Griffin?
I believe that's going to also be a continuance, but that's Miss Gearing's case, so I know they talked yesterday though, so.
Okay. How about Jesus Maldonado with Mr. Durrell?
That's likely going to be a continuance, but the state will be offering her reckless, but I believe Mr. Durrell will need to speak to his client about it.
Your Honor, for 24 CT 2802, this is for Mr. Perez Prieto. The defense and state have come to a resolution. She couldn't be here.
Who couldn't be here? Ms. Overleeson?
Ms. Overleeson. So can we request a control date?
4/16.
Thank you.
Mr. Durrell, whenever you're ready.
Yes, sir. You?
He speaks Spanish, right?
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
Dustin Durrell here for Mr. Maldonado. Just spoke with the state. There is an amended offer for a reckless operation. I need to speak with my client, and he will need an interpreter. So if we can have the next available date, I'll try and arrange that to get the interpreter here and speak with him, but we should be good.
4/16.
4/16? Thank you very much, Your Honor. I believe that's all I have.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I was waiting till the end. Just if she, no. Did you have a warrant for her? You might have another one by the time the day's over. No, I appreciate it. Coy's gonna zoom in for us. Because he's in St. Lawrence County. Coy?
Your Honor, I have been in contact with Mr. Luis Romero Ramirez, and he was planning on entering into a plea today.
Okay.
If we could set it for one more date, our office has continually been in contact with him, remind him of his court date just last week, so I'm not sure.
I mean, I'm still waiting for Mr. Browning, if you don't mind hanging out for a minute.
Okay, yeah, I definitely have things.
Yeah. Who is that?
Christian Taylor.
Number 12.
Oh.
Was that-
Winslow zooming in from somewhere? Some jig?
Good morning, Mr. Hall. You may. Right. Yeah. What kind of party is it? Does it have active parking?
Hello, I am Bonnie from Body Be Healthy here in Crestview. We have been serving the area since 1999. We're an alternative health food store. If you're interested in bettering your health, we'd like to invite you to stop by. We're located in Court Plaza. Stop by and let us help you be healthy.
I'm Amanda Gaskin with Briar Patch Realty. Helping qualifying heroes save money is my passion. When I help a hero buy or sell a home, they receive a check from Homes for Heroes. Check out amandasheroes.com for more information.
You're talking about Steve. For more than 70 years, the sweet aroma of the Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs has permeated the downtown area. If you have not experienced the unique flavor of Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs, then I encourage you to join us for lunch. Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. We're located in historic downtown Crestview at 107 North Main Street. Call 850-683-1045.
Judge, are we also waiting for a
CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer
No.
since 1999.
Like a j-
We're state licensed
A what?
and
A
insured,
jail?
family owned and operated with 24 years of local service. We
Oh,
specialize
she's
in
not an
shingles
inmate.
and metal,
Oh.
She has a
re-roof,
worn-out scene,
repairs,
but
and leak specialists.
kind of waiting to see
For
if she's
all
going
of
to
your
show up.
roofing needs, call us today
Who's
or
in
visit
jail?
our website at
It will say
cqroofing.com.
inmate on the.
CQ Roofing,
not
your
our
hometown
jail,
roofer.
or prison, some prison. Yeah.
Hey, I'm David at Family Vision
Is
of
she-
Crestview. We've been
Oh.
providing
Is
excellent
she the
optical
one who
service
Mr.
for Northwest
David
Florida
had,
for
and we
over
keep trying to
34
get
years.
Santa Rosa County
Come in and
to-
let us take
I
care of
think
you.
so.
Yeah. I mean, she wrote the court a letter asking if we could hear her case, so while she's in prison, she can take care of everything. We tried twice to put her on the docket for that to happen. So I'm not gonna issue a KBS. Is that the 80? Enter this personal meeting ID.
is Tiffany Woodham, State Farm's newest agent in Crestview. I'd like to personally invite you to stop by my office for a no-cost policy review. Let me help you start saving today. Call in, walk in, or click in at yourcrestview.agent.com.
Alex Barthe from the UPS store once again, and I wanted to let you know about our Sunday hours. We're open now 7 days a week. Normal hours that you've been expecting, but now we're open Saturday 10 to 4, Sunday 10 to 3, and that's both our Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, and Eglin Air Force Base locations. So you have things to do, go and do it. Just know the UPS store is going to be here. Again, Sundays 10 until 3 p.m.
For years, I proudly served Florida as a state trooper. During that time, I investigated over 1,000 car, motorcycle, and trucking crashes. My mission was simple, to help the victims. Now, as an injury attorney, I can do even more to help accident victims. Hi, I'm attorney Coy Browning. If you've been injured in a car accident, I'd be honored to help you. Call or visit us at browninglawfirm.com.
Hi, I'm Wanda Roberts. For the last 20 years, I've been helping the residents of Northwest Florida buy and sell their properties. My office is just 1 block south of the courthouse in historic downtown Crestview. Give us a call at 850-398-5389.
Hi, I'm Michael Gilbert, defense attorney with Warrior Law. I represent those accused in Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. If you or anyone you know has been accused of a crime, give us a call. We can help.
Hello, this is Chris Norman at Bulldog Bail Bonds. Our office is in Crestview, Florida, but we service 7 Northwest Florida counties. If you ever find yourself in a jam, please give us a call. We're here to help you out.
Congratulations, Crestviews' very own Dixie Dan Powell of Powell Injury Law, for your recent jury verdict of $11.5 million for your client from a death and injury against an inflatable amusement company. Recognized in 2017 as one of the top 100 civil trial lawyers in the state of Florida, and Dixie is AV preeminent rated. Dixie Dan Powell works tirelessly for his clients, as is evident by this extraordinary verdict. If you're taking your case to trial, be prepared. Contact Dixie Dan Powell and Powell Injury Law, 850-306-2667.
Back Home Bakery Cafe is 2 blocks from the courthouse on Crestview historic Main Street. We serve handmade pastries, espresso, and lunch items, and we're open Tuesday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., serving lunch from 11 to 2. We hope to see you soon.
Hello, I am Bonnie from Body Be Healthy here in Crestview. We have been serving the area since 1999. We're an alternative health food store. If you're interested in bettering your health, we'd like to invite you to stop by. We're located in Court Plaza. Stop by and let us help you be healthy.
I'm Amanda Gaskin with Briar Patch Realty. Helping qualifying heroes save money is my passion. When I help a hero buy or sell a home, they receive a check from Homes for Heroes. Check out amandasheroes.com for more information.
For more than 70 years, the sweet aroma of the Crestview Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs has permeated the downtown area. If you have not experienced the unique flavor of Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs, then I encourage you to join us for lunch. Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. We're located in historic downtown Crestview at 107 North Main Street. Call 850-683-1045.
CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer since 1999. We're state licensed and insured, family owned and operated with 24 years of local service. We specialize in shingles and metal, re-roofs, repairs, and leak specialists. For all of your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website at cqroofing.com. CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer.
Hey, I'm David at Family Vision of Crestview. We've been providing excellent optical.
Yes. Okay. So, Ms. Griffin, we'll go to 416. Okay. Was that the one that you did review for reckless but said no?
That is correct, Judge.
Just so you know, their answer on that was. No, okay. Okay. Carson Old Nettle? Yes, sorry.
Old Nettle, Judge, I reviewed everything, I recommend the client that we about the video, we just did it one time ago, probably.
Okay. April 16th?
Julia Scheidel.
Mm-hmm.
This is also a case, Judge, we're going to set a call out by mistake after the interview, so they can review it for records.
We offered a reckless.
I believe they're offering you a reckless at this time.
Okay, all right.
So,
Send over the terms, please.
he said, can you send over the terms,
Oh,
please?
sure.
Okay. April 16th? Yes, sir?
Because I'm recently doing a file investigation.
Okay.
Do you have anything set for Monday?
Well, I don't know, you're not done yet.
Oh, okay. Well, so I'm not saying it Monday.
So let me say this, I'm gonna be covering Judge Schlecter's docket on Monday, or Division B. So if you wanna bring it in to me that day, I'll sign it. I'll give it a control date of 4/16.
Well, we'll just do 416. I'm still available. You know, today.
Okay, 4/16.
Amanda Strickland, that's also really clear to the judge, because it's 416 before today.
Perfect.
Thomas Trussell.
Mhm.
What's your trial date, Judge?
Monday, April 7th.
Yeah, where's the trial at?
We also offered a reckless.
They offered a reckless in that as well, Mr. Brown.
Okay, you can send over the terms and, we'll just check it out.
Okay?
On decision day for you.
All right, so I'm gonna leave it set for April 7th at 8:30. 22 jurors. Instructions and motions by noon on Friday. But if there's gonna be a plea, Mr. Browning, if you could let me know that by close of business today. Yes, the clerk agrees. Thank you. The Cybertruck works well, sir. Have a good day. In Misty Wintel's case, Miss Wintel is an inmate in Santa Rosa County. Mr. David had worked with her to get the jail, or the prison, I think, to Zoom her in so I could handle her VOP. This is the second time that has happened with no, they're not doing it.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just gonna remove her from the docket and leave the warrant outstanding. If they can ever figure that out, I'm happy to add her on, but I can't, I don't wanna accidentally issue a new capias.
And
You
is
know-
that the Okaloosa County Jail? or-
No, it's Santa Rosa
Santa
County,
Rosa.
and I'm pretty sure it's prison, the prison over there, not
Okay.
the jail.
Blackwater.
Okay, and then Ms. Yeski, did you have someone else?
Yes. Your Honor, this is Christian Tejera Moreno in 25MM101 before the court.
Hola, señor. Buenos días.
We have come to a resolution in this case.
Okay.
Mr. Tejera Moreno will plead no contest to the charge and be sentenced to a withhold of adjudication, 6 months probation, no contact with the victims, and no trespassing at 818 Tanager Road in Fort Walton Beach. And Your Honor, my client had a question about whether the bond could be put toward costs.
No, what I'm showing is a surety bond.
Oh, okay.
So, no, that only works with a cash bond.
Okay, thank you.
What are the costs?
622, Your Honor.
Oh, I don't have a cost on my offer sheet from the state.
622. That's not something I can waive.
$622 in court costs.
And I didn't hear anything about anger management or BIP, none of that?
It's anger management course as well.
Yeah, sorry. Including an anger management course, 622 in court costs, and then the $100 cost of defense.
Okay, so just to review, I'm showing a withhold of adjudication, 6 months probation to include no contact with the victim, no trespass at 818 Tanager Road, an anger management course, $100 cost of defense, and 622 in court costs.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Correct.
that like 622 courthouse, there is no court right now?
No. Will you have the full time of probation to pay that? Yeah, you'll have the full 6 months.
Okay. And the state has contacted the victims?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And the parties stipulate to a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Sir, if you would, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm your testimony will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Please put your hand down. Tell me your name and date of birth.
Cristian Samir Tejeda Moreno. May 10th, 1994. May 1st, 1994.
Okay, I need you to please tell her it can only be him answering questions.
Solamente el señor puede contestar.
Okay, so sir, please tell me I need to know your date of birth.
Dígame su fecha de nacimiento. May 1st. 1994.
Okay, are you under the influence of any drugs, alcohol, or medication?
No.
Do you understand that by entering this plea, you give up your right to a trial where the state would have to prove that you were guilty?
Yes.
And if for any reason you are in the country illegally, any plea could affect your immigration status to include deportation? Do you understand that?
I didn't understand that.
Okay. When you enter a plea to a crime, it could affect your immigration status if you were not in the country legally. It could result in deportation. I'm not saying it will, but just it's a possibility.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
I think that was the confusion.
I gotcha. Do you need any more time to speak with your attorney?
With her?
See, yes.
No, I'm good.
Okay. I will accept your plea as freely and voluntarily entered. I will withhold the adjudication and place you on probation for 6 months. During that time, you must complete an anger management course, have no contact with the victim, pay $100 for a cost of defense and $622 in court cost. Additionally, you may not trespass at 818 Tanager Road, and the trespass order is actually good for 1 year. The deputy will need to take your fingerprints, and then he will give you a code for probation. You need to scan that and check in today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And then on Mr. Romero Ramirez,
Yes, if we could just get one more court date and I will,
but I am going to go to 414 on him.
that's
okay.
fine, yeah.
Is that all right?
And he absolutely plans to enter into a plea.
You're good.
I'm guessing something happened.
All right, that is all I have.
Are you issuing a cases for Ms. Wintel?
I am not,
Okay.
because she's in prison. There's already a warrant out for her arrest for the BOP. So an additional warrant on the same case seems
A lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I am removing her from the docket, so her goal can only work if, you know. All right, with that, court will be adjourned.
Thank you. Judge, that order that I sent